In this video, we will discuss 10 important and expected questions on Hindu Marriage Act 1955. So, question number 1, discuss the nature of marriage ceremonies and the conditions for a valid Hindu marriage. And question number 2, what is judicial separation and how does it differs from divorce? In the context, explain the grounds of divorce. And question number 3, differentiate between maintenance, pendente, lite, and permanent alimony. What shall be the quantum of maintenance? And question number 4, make a distinction between the breakdown theory and consent theory on dissolution of marriage and determine the custody of children. And question number 5 deals with Hindu marriage is a sacrament, not a contract. Discuss the statement in the background of Hindu Marriage Act 1955. How do you agree with view that revolutionary changes effected by this act? Explain. And question number 6, whether cruelty is a ground of divorce under Hindu law. Discuss the concept of mental cruelty with help of cases decided by Supreme Court of India. And question number 7, state the grounds on which a decree of judicial separation may be obtained under Hindu Marriage Act 1955. How does decree of judicial separation differ from a decree of divorce? And question number 8, discuss the concept of marriage under Hindu law. What are the essentials of a valid marriage under Hindu Marriage Act 1955? And question number 9, Hindu marriage is neither a sacrament nor a contract. Elucidate and explain the salient features of divorce by mutual consent under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. And question number 10, in the light of Supreme Court decisions, explain the provisions of Section 13B under the Hindu Marriage Act 1955. Can a decree of divorce based on mutual consent be granted by the court even before the statutory period of 6 months? If yes, by which court and under what circumstances? So, these 10 questions are expected and important question relating to Hindu Marriage Act 1955, and those answers we would like to discuss briefly in our upcoming video. To all these 10 questions relating to Hindu Marriage Act, and subsequently now I want to express that regarding who is a Hindu, and what are the sources of Hindu law and which schools have played determining role in framing Hindu rules, regulations, which ultimately influenced in the development of Hindu law in India. And in connection to that, I would like to express that regarding who is a Hindu, as already we have discussed in detail in our previous series of uploaded videos which relate to the very question who is a Hindu, what are the different sources of Hindu law and those different schools of Hindu law. So, regarding who is a Hindu, that includes the Hindus by birth, so also by conversion, and also it includes all the sects such as the Buddhist, the Jains, the Lingayats, so also the Sikhs, they are also considered as Hindus. And regarding those different sources that already we have discussed in our previous videos, that is regarding those old texts of Hindu law, as these were presented by the ancient Hindu learned experts like Manu, Gautam, Buddhayana, etc. And so also the very important schools and their sub branches like the Mitakhar school and the Dayabhag school and the very following of Mitakhar school all over India, and exclusively the Dayabhag school, which was prevalent in parts of Bengal and certain other areas. And in that context, we have already discussed regarding the different sub schools of Mitakhar and Dayabhag school. And in that connection, we discuss about the Banaras school, the Methala school, so also the Madras school, the Bombay school, and the Punjab school, which are falling under Mitakhar school, so also the Bengal school, which falls under the Dayabhag school. So, all those different branches of either Mitakhar school or Dayabhag school already we have discussed in detail in our series of previous videos, those we uploaded in this channel. So also the very answer regarding who is a Hindu also was uploaded in this channel, and also regarding marriage as per the traditional classical source of Hindu law and all those relating to marriage, judicial separation, divorce, etc. That also we have already discussed and uploaded number of videos in this channel previously. And as regarding to the revolutionary changes which effected on Hindu law as per the very question of judicial separation, divorce, the women's right regarding divorce, the mutual consent on which there could be divorce, etc. Already we have discussed in our previous videos also regarding the very nature of Hindu marriage, how far it is sacrament and how far it is not a contract. And that aspect also we have already discussed in our previous videos. So there is a controversy regarding the very nature of Hindu marriage, that how far it is a sacrament and how it is not falling under contract as regarding to marriages conducted under Mohammedan law or Christian law or Parsi law. So, in this connection also, we have detailed discussion in our series of previous videos which we have already uploaded in this channel. Besides that, in our upcoming video, we'll briefly discuss about these 10 important and expected questions relating to Hindu Marriage Act 1955.